pygmy. Hey, this is Troy at BellBucksandBeards.com. It's August, about 100 degrees outside, so I'm going to sit here in the AC and do a little unboxing review for you. Got the Mojo Dove Decoy. I picked this up at Gander Mountain yesterday. First thing you'll notice on the box is that there's hardly any information on it, just Mojo Dove, a little picture on the end here. I'm sure this takes some kind of batteries, probably a small battery, but there's hardly any information on the box at all. I'd heard good things about it, so I already knew I wanted it, so let's open it up and see what we get here. Okay. There's the decoy. Wings. Battery pack. Looks like it's going to be AA batteries. I didn't even know that. They didn't mention that on the box, but it looks like we have a pole to mount it on. And at the bottom of the box we got our warranty, some instructions. Don't know what that is. I guess we'll have to read the instructions and find out. So let's see what we got. Okay, luckily I had 4 extra AA batteries laying around, so let's see what we got here. Okay, we got 2 battery packs. I'm guessing it goes through a lot of batteries then. Might have to get some rechargeables to try. Did find out what this is. That is a thumb screw wrench. Turning your thumb screws. Let's get the batteries in and try it out. Okay, I got my batteries in. We'll see if we can get stuff back in there. Pretty tight quarters in there. Velcro latch. Attach the wings. Okay, push the button, hopefully it'll work. Don't look too bad. Hopefully that'll help us out in the dove field a little bit this year. Well, dove season's less than a month away, and hopefully this will work out for us, and we'll have some good videos for you posted on BellBucksandBeards.com. We'll see you later.